Traders, these are stocks we'll be trading this morning. Big range stocks with lots of volume pre-market. A lot of green this morning. So let's go trade. FSLY, we're going to short this right here at the ask. Alright, we are in FSLY at 73.78. This thing gapped up pretty big this morning, so we think it's going to close some of this gap before it climbs higher. But stop loss will be around 74.50. And target, we like this well below 73 here, but we'll see. It's climbing here. I don't like that. We might have to come out of this just because it's up in the morning. But there's a lot of bag holders in this that's going to use this as an opportunity to get out of the trade. Here it comes. Here we go. Come on. Let's take out the lows. Good size spread in this, so it can easily drop or climb. All right, here we go. All right, we're going to try to take this right here. Come on. We're out. Only 50 cents. I'm a little spooked because the market's got a green candle forming here, so this thing's up for the morning. I'm just going to take these 50 cents and get out of the trade. upwk. All right, we're going to short this right here. This thing is probably going to pop here for a little bit and then just drop again. This thing's very extended. We're in at 29.10. Stop loss will be over 30. Target, we like 28. I think this thing is very extended. It's probably not a good idea, but we're going to give it a short leash. We'll just come out of it if it doesn't go our way. Alright, it's putting in a squeeze here. Yeah, this ain't going to work. Let's get out of this thing right here if we can. We are out. It's going to pop over 30. Maybe we'll jump in it a little bit, but I don't want to be in this once it pops over 30 here. We took a, what is that, 65-cent loser. Maybe we'll revisit this in a little bit once it's done getting bought up here. There it is. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's try this here, right? We're back in this. We're back in this at 30.58, and it's still moving up. We should get a pullback, and a good size one too. Sooner than later, I'm thinking, but stop loss on this will be 31.50 point, and target, we like a point, like 29.50. I think it has good chance to pull back here. Can't just keep climbing the way it is, but you never know. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Good thing we got out of it that last time. Now we'll see if we can get some of that loss back here. All right, let's take this right here. Nice. We almost got about 90 cents. DKNG, we're going to short this right here. If we can get in this, come on. All right, we are in this. Short at 41.14. We think this thing is going to crack 41 here and just drop at least down to below 40.50. That's going to be the target. I'm going to try to get a point, but if I can get 50 to 75 cents, I'll take that too, depending on what the market's doing. But it has been pulling back for a little bit here, but we think it has more pullback in it, at least down to 40.50 area. The longer it consolidates here in this area, the better chance it has to drop below 41. DKNG, we're going to come out of this thing right here. Don't like this trade anymore. We are out. We took, what is that, a 45-cent loss on that. Held on to it for a little bit there. I should have came out when it dropped here, but it wasn't enough. I wanted to get it down to 40.50, but it didn't. It pulled back, and now it's climbing, so best just come out with a loss there. qcom, we're going to short this right here. We think this thing is going to pull back here for a little bit here, because there's a huge gap up. Look at this thing. This thing gapped up huge this morning. Pulled back at the open and then rallied really hard. Now I think I might poke its head over the top here, which is going to be the stop area. But once it pokes its head, I think it has no choice but to drop. That's a huge gap. If people aren't profit taking a little bit here, I don't know. But we'll see. Stop loss will be over 148.75 area. qcom still in this. Hasn't done anything wrong yet. It's just consolidating. A lot of buyers buying this, thinking this thing is going to break out over the top. They're all putting their stops right around 147. So, you know, I'm thinking this thing will probably drop down to well below 147 once it starts to cascade. Here it comes. Here we go. There it is. All right. Let's keep it going here. Let's take it down below 147 here. I don't see why not. It's a good size mover. Here we go. All right, let's take this right here. Nice. A little short of what we wanted. I wanted a point, but that's okay. We took close to 80 cents. And check out qcom, still dropping here. You know, everybody was buying in this area, putting their stops, and a lot of people just got hit, and there it goes. And we only took peanuts compared to how much. Look at that, another point. upwk, we're going to short this right here. We can get in this, come on, let's get in this. I like this trade. We're going to jump in this right here if we can. Come on. All right, we are in this. I pushed it down a little bit because it looks really nice here. I think this thing will drop down to 27. That's going to be the target. Try to close the gap here. A lot of orders down here that just going to keep getting cascade. Nice whole number at 28. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Stop loss will be over around 29 area. Point each way. Sucker's moving today, so let's take a look at this thing up close. It's like it's about to make a move here. Come on. A lot of red. There we go. Come on. There we go. Nice breakdown there. Come on. See if we can get a little bit more. At about 50 cents there. Close to it. See if we can bring this down to 27 area. Alright, here we go. A little bit more. Come on. Alright, let's take this right here. Come on. Alright, here it comes. Come on. Alright, nice. 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 We took about 55 cents. Not as much as I wanted. And I should have probably waited. But look at the SPY here. It is on fire. So I better get out of the stock while I have 55 cents before I lose 55 cents. And this thing squeezes, and it does a humongous squeeze, which is about ready to get a squeeze going here. That's what I'm thinking. That'll probably be a point squeeze. I don't want to be part of that. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Don't really see anything else here that looks good. So we're just going to keep it green. We're up 314. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 4 winners, 2 losers. Our biggest winner on UPWK and our biggest loser on UPWK. Thanks for watching.